Welcome to Traffyk's Daily Topic Views. In this video, I will take you through its functionality using an example of a food safety issue for a fictitious company. At the top of the page are the views. Each view segments the data differently. The default view is reputation drivers. Below are the metric cards that provide the aggregates for the day selected. Below this is the trend chart that shows the metrics over time. You may switch to each metric using the tabs on the chart. Net Sentiment Score, NSS, is calculated like Net Promoter Score, NPS, except it uses the sentiment score of posts and comments by each user. Anomalies are identified using Traffyk's anomaly detection algorithm. As mentioned, we're currently in the reputation drivers view. There are 7 drivers which are aligned with RepTrack's approach. We can click the 3-month moving average and split view toggles to see what is driving any new trends. In this example, products and services is driving the increase in volume. Let's go to the sources view. Here, you can isolate data per source. The number of sources loaded for the current day can be viewed in the top right. The number of sources available is dependent on how many have been provided to Traffyk. Again, we toggle the split view to provide a comparison. Here it can be seen the internal social volume outpaces the signal from Reddit. We can remove Reddit from the view and look at exactly what the internal social data is saying. Below, we can expand summaries for the view. Here, there are a few topics touched upon for this day. We can click the graph to go back in time to see what people were saying then. Each summary links to the posts and comments. In this example, employees flag that there is an ongoing problem with salad. To investigate at a more granular level, the topic and subtopic views can be used. Each view has its own summarization. Another useful view is the table. Here you can sort by the various columns to identify the problem areas. Here it looks like there is heightened volume of food poisoning and contamination affecting customer experience. Finally, we go to the store and state views to determine if this problem is regional or widespread. In this example, the problem is localized to Queensland. With this information, a practitioner is now able to tackle the problem early, before it evolves into a reputation crisis.